To open a heat-sealed or glued solar panel light such as a waterproof LED floodlight without smashing it, use a heat gun to soften the adhesive. Carefully warm the edges. And use a small tool or thin pry blade to separate the face. Here's the step-by-step opening guide. Make access holes. These is optional trick. Some DIY repair methods suggest making a small discrete hole through the plastic back housing near the corners using a hot soldering iron or driller to reach the backside of the front glass. Apply heat. Run a heat gun or a hairdryer on high along the outer glued edges of the front glass. Heat the glue slowly and evenly so you do not melt the plastic housing or shatter the glass. Pry or push apart. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool into the softened seam or push gently through your access holes to lift the glass away from the casing a little bit at a time. Work around the edges. Slowly trace the perimeter while keeping the adhesive warm until the cover releases completely. Note, if the front seal refuses to budge or risks cracking the glass, an alternative approach is to carefully cut open the back plastic casing using a rotary tool, and later reseal it with waterproof silicone. This covers how to open a heat-sealed or glued solar panel light. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.